Are you thinking about renovating your home, but you're wondering where you'll get the best bang for your buck if you later decide to sell your home? In this video, I'll count down 7 projects to the #1 best use of your money. Stay to the end and I'll tell you the secret of selling your home for more money without being out any upfront cash. So let's get to it. If you're thinking about buying or selling a home in Marin County, reach out to me. I'm a past California attorney turned realtor, and I've lived in Marin County nearly 30 years and raised 3 children here. I'd love to help you make a smart move. Just email me. All right, this list hails from Angie as reported by Axios, and it's based on at least 10,000 homeowners per project in the San Francisco Bay Area. Number 8. Replacing asphalt roof shingles. That project is going to set you back on average about $8,000 to $22,000, but it will net you a 61% return on your investment, or so says the stats. So if the investment cost you $10,000, you can expect that you'll earn an extra $6,100 past the cost of your investment if you were selling your home right now. Number 7, replace entry doors. The average cost is $500 to $1,500, and you can expect a 65% return. Number 6, building a deck. The average cost is $4,000 to $11,000, and you can expect a 66% return. Number 5, window replacements. The average cost is $200 to $1,000 per window, and you can expect a 68% return on investment. Number 4, siding replacement. The average cost of this is $5,400 to $15,500, and you can expect a 69% return. Number 3, minor kitchen remodels. The average cost of this is $25,000 to $40,000, and you can expect to net a 72% return on your investment. Number 2, installing a manufactured stone veneer. The average cost is $11 per square foot. Number 1, drum roll please, installing a garage door replacement. The average cost on that is about $750 to $1,600, and you can expect a return on your investment of 94%. Wow, that list is 80% upgrades for the outside of your home, the exterior. And that is all great information. But as a real estate agent, I can share that while those individual items are all good to selling your home, they are not the most important thing you can do to sell your home for a higher price and in the shortest period of time. Yes, it's good to have the exterior attracting buyers. It is, after all, their first impression. But the interior is what today's buyers care about. They want ready-to-move-in homes, not dated homes that will require work to look anything like what they are seeing on HGTV. And they are willing to pass on some pretty precious extra money to get it. So how do you do it? Easy. You must match whatever the prevailing contemporary style is. Okay, that doesn't sound so easy. How do you get that look when it changes over time? Well, you can use eXp's partner to design, repair, and upgrade. And they won't even charge you anything until your home closes. And they do that work at your local contractor's prevailing cost. And they don't charge you any fees or interest charges either. On average, their homes sell 50% faster and with a return on investment of over 100%. I know. That's higher than any of the single items I just mentioned before. This is a total win-win.
Nice.
I have more on eXp's provided partner in this video. And I can hook you up with a realtor anywhere in the United States that can provide that service. Just email me. Anyway, back to that prevailing contemporary look. What is it right now? Well, it's a cohesive look with one warm brown light colored wood flooring or some wood-like looking flooring throughout the whole house. It also has whitish walls throughout the whole house. It also has new upgraded fixtures, probably in a flat color, maybe black or brass. And buyers love those new white quartz countertops in your kitchen and bathrooms. Okay, often sellers can just paint old kitchen and bathroom cabinets, if they aren't too old, to meet the right look. So you can save some money there. And some sellers can even leave their older windows in place and still achieve this look that often leads to quick sales and multiple bids. Bottom line, if you're planning to renovate for just yourself, remember to strike a balance between your personal style and what future buyers will adore when you decide to put that for sale sign up. Think of your kitchen as the heart of your home. It's where the magic happens. Updating your countertops and perhaps the appliances and maybe the cabinets too, if they're too old, can be a haven for culinary creativity. Also, according to the National Association of Realtors, a kitchen renovation can make 93% of homeowners absolutely smitten with their space. And we want you to be happy in your home. I feel good. But hey, don't go all in on today's trendiest styles, as this year's fashion becomes dated in a decade.
I don't know.
So don't assume that today's upgrades won't need a refresh if you sell 10 years from now. Plan to spend your dollars in the wisest fashion for now and the future. And if you'd like some more tips on renovating your house or prepping it for sale, here's some more ideas. Have a great day.